right, let's talk system for a second. So, for my system builders out there, for my management system builders, now this can be for environmental, this can be for safety, this can be for quality management, or it could be even for financial management systems. The thing that I want to talk about today are the 3 areas that your system needs to be robust for change in. Inevitably, change is going to happen. Change is inevitable. But the systems that survive, the robust ones, understand that change is possible and is going to happen, and they build the system with this change in mind. So the 3 areas of change that we as consultancy on a daily basis, the first one is geographical. It's no secret that systems built, say, in Japan may be different than systems built in the US and may be different than systems that are built in Germany. But the problem is that organizations, especially large ones, continue to shift their operations around. And so if you build a system that is geographically dependent, let's say, you're not going to have a lot of flexibility in terms of moving that from one to the other, and that's where bad things can happen. The second thing is they build their system around specific processes. When we build our system, we have the processes we have today, but that may not be the processes that we have tomorrow. So we see systems that are built without regard to change. So build your system in a way that allows you to bring in new processes for new products and allows you to change. The third area of change is organization. So you might think today that your organization, as it's structured, is going to be the same for the next 10 years. I guarantee you it's not. We're going to be opening new divisions. We're going to be shifting personalities. We're going to be changing organization structures. So make sure that your system is robust enough to handle changes in your organizational structure, especially if you're one of those companies that buys and sells other companies. That can create a tremendous amount of change inside of the QMS, and you need to be prepared for it. All right, so the 3 areas of change: geographical, organizational, and process. If you think about change and you realize that change is a fact of life, you're going to build better processes in your management systems. All right, if you like this and you want more, check out Plexus INTL for more on management systems, automotive standards, aerospace, and everything manufacturing in between.